Plants may look silent and harmless, but some of them have abilities that seem almost impossible. Fact number 1. Some plants can recognize their relatives and send them more nutrients through underground fungal networks. Fact number 2. The Venus flytrap can count and usually needs multiple touches before closing its trap. Fact number 3. Some trees can release chemicals into the air to warn nearby plants about hungry insects. Fact number 4. The world's largest living organism is actually a fungus hidden underground. Fact number 5. Some plants can survive for thousands of years by growing extremely slowly in harsh environments. Follow for more amazing facts.